Tiwantiwa Tàkísà ń ta tán.
He's got supporters. Detroit, New York, Los Angeles, inciting large-scale arrests and sympathy marches.
I'm very aware of that, Mr. Hoover. What I do know is he's nonviolent. What I need to know right now, what's Martin Luther King about to do next?
Mr. President, Dr. King is here.
Mr. President, in the South, there have been thousands of racially motivated murders.
We need your help, Dr. King. This thing's just gonna have to wait. It cannot wait. You got one big issue, I got 101.
Summer it is.
Here is the next great battle.
Selma's the place, and they ready.
Dr. King.
I tell you, that white boy can hit.
We will not tolerate agitators attempting to orchestrate a disturbance in this state.
It is unacceptable that they use their power to keep us voiceless. Those that have gone before us say no more.
People actually say they're gonna kill our children. They're trying to get inside of your head.
What happens when a man stands up, says enough is enough?
We built the path as we came, rock by rock.
This sail is probably bugged.
It probably is.
We must march. We must stand up.
You march those people into rural Alabama, it's gotta be open season.
May I have a word?
There's no word to be had.
The people. The people. The people. The people.
There are 70 million people watching. These pictures are going around the world.
We must make a massive demonstration.
White, black, and otherwise. Come to Selma.
I heard about the attack of innocent people. I couldn't just stand by.
Looks like an army out there.
This revolution goes on and on. This revolution goes on and on.
Mine eyes have seen the glory, glory, glory. Hallelujah.
What happens when
Gbogbo
a
nǹkan ló
man
set
stands
fún
up, says
premiere
enough
ti
is
award
enough?
winning Selma ní ìlú Èkó, supported by the Embassy of the United States àti House on the Rock Christian Worship Center. Selma jẹ́ ìtàn ìrìnàjò oṣù mẹ́ta ní ọdún 1965 èyí tí Dr. Martin Luther King darí láti jìjàgbara fún equal voting rights.
Those that have gone before us say no more.
Wọ́n ṣe àfihàn múvì náà ní Saturday 8 February 2015 ní House of the Rock Cathedral, Lekki, èyí tó mú àwọn main movie cast náà wá, ìyẹn David Oyelowo àti Carmen Ejogo.
Ǹjẹ́ ẹ mọ̀? Tiwantiwa Tàkísà ń ta tán.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, èwo lẹ ṣe lónìí? Kí ló happen? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ń bọ́bù? Ṣàlàáfíà lẹ́wà. Ẹ kúkú ti mọ̀ wípé gbogbo ibikíbi tó bá happen tó sọ̀ tó yọ̀tọ̀ nù. Lèmi ọmọ yìí Mistura ẹlẹ́rìn ẹ̀yẹ máa ń wà. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀ wípé ayẹyẹ lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan ni a máa mú wá fún yín lórí ètò yín. Ètò wa ó wà ńbẹ̀. Ìdẹ́dìẹ̀. Gbogbo àwọn ayẹyẹ lọ́lọ́kan-ò-jọ̀kan bíi ayẹyẹ ìsìnkú, ayẹyẹ ìgbéyàwó, ayẹyẹ ìsìndúpẹ́, coronation, graduation, birthdays àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ni àwa máa ń gbé wá fún yín lójú ìwòran yín. Ẹ ṣe pé nọ́mbà mi, èmi ọmọ yín. Mo ṣetán láti gbé ayẹyẹ yín sáfẹ́fẹ́ káyé gbọ́ kọ̀rọ̀ ó mọ̀ kí ìbò mì tìtìtì. Ó wà ńbẹ̀. Ìdẹ́dìẹ̀.
Bóyá bó lórí rẹ̀ yọ.
Orúkọ mi ni Olú Jacobs. Ẹ máa wo Tiwantiwa.
Tiwantiwa Tàkísà ń ta tán.
Senior Pastor Church tí wọ́n ti ṣe àfihàn múvì náà, ìyẹn Paul Adefarasin pẹ̀lú US Ambassador James Entwistle tẹnumọ́ peace and harmony lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà nígbà tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ ṣe ìbò.
We must march. We must stand up.
You march those people into rural Alabama, it's gotta be open season.
May I have a word?
There's no word to be had.
The people. The people. The people. The people.
There are 70 million people watching. These pictures are going around the world.
We must make a massive demonstration.
White, black, and otherwise. Come to Selma.
I heard about the attack of innocent people. I couldn't just stand by.
Looks like an army out there.
This revolution goes on and on. This revolution goes on and on.
Mine eyes have seen the glory, 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 hallelujah.
What happens when a man stands up, says enough is enough?
Tiwantiwa Takisa Ntaton.
Distinguished members of the press, it is with great honor and pleasure that I welcome you to the premiere of the movie Selma. As we all know, Nigeria is going through arguably one of the most defining moments in her 101-year post-amalgamation history. Shortly, tens of millions of Nigerians will perform their civic responsibility throughout this nation by voting for the candidates of their choice. The history of election in Nigeria has been fraught with incidents of violence before, during, and after all but two elections, the 1923 and the 1959 elections. The House on the Rock, as a center for social justice, reformation, and equity, has consistently advocated the peaceful coexistence of all Nigerians, indeed all residents of this great nation, regardless of race, tribe, tongue, gender, or location. The stark reality of this present age is that the rapidly changing world that we live in has rendered many of the ways we used to do things quite obsolete now. The imperatives that confront us demand that whilst we hold fast to the principles of godliness, integrity, justice, equity, and value for human life, we must continue to learn from the mistakes of yesteryear and embrace the opportunities of today as we look forward to tomorrow. Knowing that peace is not the absence of tension, but the presence of justice, we must also ensure that peace, justice, and equity are enshrined in our great nation. There are a recorded 1,800 recognized languages spoken on the continent of Africa, with well over 500 of these in Nigeria alone. With its multi-religious populace, it is evident that true equity cannot be attained in Nigeria without representative dialogue between the majority stakeholders, the citizens of this nation, and the one and sundry who are part of our great country. Clearly, the interests of Nigeria cannot be determined along religious lines, nor according to political, ethnic, or social indices alone. The tragic events in parts of this country are a very harsh reminder that dialogue, peace, and religious tolerance are critical to our continued coexistence. In our bid to foster and promote non-violence, the Rock Foundation and the House of Rock have partnered with the United States Mission to Nigeria to premiere the movie Selma, which chronicles the tumultuous 3-month period in 1965 when Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. led a dangerous campaign to secure equal voting, or rather equal voting rights, in the face of violent opposition. Drawing inspiration from his Christian faith, while others were advocating for freedom by any means necessary, including violence, Dr. King Jr. used the power of words and acts of non-violence, or acts of non-violent resistance, to achieve seemingly impossible goals. As Nigeria embarks on this critical task of further entrenching its nascent democracy, we are using this movie Selma to speak to and embed in the consciousness of all Nigerians the benefits of employing non-violent methods to achieve a credible transition in a peaceful atmosphere devoid of fear-stoked action. It is only by committing to non-violence that we believe Nigeria can reform, develop, and take her place as a leader in the Committee of Nations. Ladies and gentlemen of the estimable Fourth Estate, may I use my good offices to implore you to please take the moral high road of disciplined reportage as you contribute your valuable quota to building Nigeria on a foundation of peace and justice. We all, as Nigerians, will do our part. I want to thank the expatriate community, especially the well-interested North American and European diplomatic community in this country, for their great help and assistance in helping us to navigate through what has proved to be a difficult matrix, but by God's special grace, we will come through it victoriously, and Nigeria will grow from strength to strength and from glory to glory. Again, thank you. You're most welcome. Please enjoy the evening. I think we're open to questions now.
Selma movie premiere feature àwọn high profile personalities láti corporate Nigeria, media, àwọn politicians náà wá láti oríṣiríṣi political parties àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Àwọn Tiwantiwa TV wà níbẹ̀ láti mú gbogbo rẹ̀ wá fún yín. Ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé kí ẹ gbádùn rẹ̀.
One day, when the glory comes, it will be ours. It will be ours. Oh, one day, when the war is won, we will be sure. We will be sure. Oh, glory, glory, glory. Oh, glory, glory.
Hands to the heavens, no man, no weapon formed against, yes, glory is destined. Everyday women and men become legends. Sins that go against our skin become blessings. The movement is a rhythm to us. Freedom is like religion to us. Justice is juxtaposition in us. Justice for all just ain't specific enough. One son died, the spirit is revisiting us. True and living in us. Resistance is us. That's why Rosa sat on the bus. That's why we walk through Ferguson with our hands up. When it go down, we woman and man up. They say stay down, and we stand up. Shots, we on the ground, the camera panned up. King pointed to the mountaintop, and we ran up.
One day, when the glory comes, it will be ours. It will be ours. Oh, one day, when the war is won, we will be sure. We will be sure. Oh, glory, glory, glory. Oh, glory, glory. Now the war is not over. Victory isn't won, but we'll fight on to the finish. And then when it's all done, we'll cry glory. Oh, glory. Oh, we'll cry glory. Oh, glory.
Selma is now for every man, woman, and child. Even Jesus got his crown in front of a crowd. They march with the torch, we gon' run with it now. Never look back, we done gone hundreds of miles. From dark roads, heroes, to become a hero. Facing the League of Justice, his power was the people. Enemy is lethal, a king became regal. Saw the face of Jim Crow under a bald ego. The biggest weapon is to stay peaceful. We sing, our music is the cuts that we bleed through. Somewhere in the dream we had an epiphany. Now we right the wrongs in history. No one can win a war individually. It take the wisdom of the elders and young people's energy. Welcome to the story we call victory. The coming of the Lord, my eyes have seen the glory.
One day, when the glory comes, it will be ours. It will be ours. Oh, one day, when the war is won, we will be sure. We will be sure. Oh, glory. Oh, glory.
Jemo. Tiwantiwa Takisa Ntaton.
You work for Mr. Dunn down at the rest home, ain't that right?
Yes, sir.
Wonder what old Dunn will say when I tell him one of his gals down here stirring a fuss.
I ain't stirring no fuss. I'm just here trying to register to vote.
Recite the Constitution's preamble. You know what a preamble is?
We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union.
How many county judges in Alabama?
67.
Name them.
Yomi èwo lẹ ṣe lónìí kí ló happen kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí ló ń bọ́bù ṣàlàáfíà lẹ́wà ẹ kúkú ti mọ̀ wípé gbogbo ibikíbi tó bá happen tó sọ tó yọ̀tọ̀ mi lèmi ọmọ yìí Mistura ẹlẹ́rìí ẹ̀yẹ máa ń wà gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀ wípé ayẹyẹ lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan ni a máa mú wá fún yín lórí ètò yín ètò wa ó wà ń bẹ̀ ìdẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́ gbogbo àwọn ayẹyẹ lọ́lọ́kan-ò-jọ̀kan bíi ayẹyẹ ìsìnkú ayẹyẹ ìgbéyàwó ayẹyẹ ìsìndúpẹ́ coronation graduation birthdays àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ gbogbo ẹ̀ ni àwa máa ń gbé wá fún yín lójú ìwòran yín ẹ ṣe pé nọ́mbà mi èmi ọmọ yín mo ṣetán láti gbé ayẹyẹ yín sáfẹ́fẹ́ káyé gbọ́ kọ̀rọ̀ ó mọ̀ kí nǹkan mì tìtìtì ó wà ń bẹ̀ ìdẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́.
bóyá bó lórí rẹ̀ yọ kábàlì bá ẹyọ tó bá fẹ́ gbọ́dọ̀ ẹyọ.
Tiwantiwa Takisa Ntaton.
Ǹjẹ́ ẹ lè ka Abidi?
Abidi efigbi ijikilimi o of.
Ha bi di e fi gi gbi hi ji ki li mi ni ho pi ri si shi ti wi yi.
Wọ́n ní nǹkan Abidi o tí n bá ti gbà ẹ bá mánéjì ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà Abidi ibi tó parí sí.
ẹnìkan kò lè jẹ́ nìkan kulẹ̀ Abidi efigbi mo gbìyànjú níbi tí gbì nǹkan tó bá dùn gbì
Ǹjẹ́ ẹ lè ka Abidi?
Abidi efigbi ijikilimi o pi ri si shi ti wi yi.
Tiwantiwa Takisa Ntaton. Tiwantiwa Takisa Ntaton.
Orúkọ mi ni Kúnlé Afọláyan, òṣèré ni mí, ayàwòrán ni mí, and you are on to Tiwantiwa. Ẹ má kó mẹ́.
Tiwantiwa Takisa Ntaton.
What are the lessons embedded for the Nigerian woman? And coming back home and seeing all the developments, what do you think of Nigeria now?
Well, I think the
great privilege of playing somebody like Coretta Scott King was really to explore a woman who was, on one hand, an amazing mother and supporter of her husband, but certainly in her later life was also a woman who found her own voice in many ways and was able to really be the progressive woman that she had always been, the feminist, somebody that fought very hard for LGBT rights. And there are few women that I think have such a universal appeal as Coretta, that I think anyone watching this movie will be inspired to see somebody that has such courage in the face of adversity and struggle, while remaining dignified and full of grace. And I think that's a great example for any woman, a Nigerian woman or any woman in the world. I've only had the privilege of being in this country once before, so I can't speak to the changes, I can't speak to the improvement, but I have to say that it's such a privilege to bring this film to and to be able to come back to speak about this movie in particular at this moment in time, knowing that you have elections coming up. I think the message of this film is so universal and really is something that demands of all of us participation in the process. You know, as an actor, what makes me excited to do this work is the opportunity to tell stories.
Being here in Nigeria, where I'm from, as an actor, as a Christian, as someone who believes in social justice, there is no greater reward than this for me, I have to say. To have made a film that can help to inspire people towards peace, help people recognize that solidarity is something to be chased. The fact that the vote, not just in America but around the world, is something that has been fought so hard to be got for all peoples, whether you're black, whether you're a woman, and it shows the cost of democracy, the cost of being able to vote. So, regardless of all of that, if young people who would take the vote for granted see this film and therefore feel like they want to vote, if people who have been subjected to prejudice and racism can reach out to someone who looks different to them, like happened in Selma. Dr. King reached out to clergy, to people of all faiths, all colors, and white and black came together to take this from being a black problem to a human problem, and America.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, èwo lẹ ṣe lónìí? Kí ló happen? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ń bọ́bù? Ṣàlàáfíà lẹ́wà. Ẹ kúkú ti mọ̀ wípé gbogbo ibikíbi tó bá ń happen tó sọ̀ tó yọ̀tọ̀ nù. Lèmi ọmọ yìí Christura ẹlẹ́rìí ẹ̀yẹ máa ń wà. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀ wípé ayẹyẹ lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan ni a máa mú wá fún yín lórí ètò yín ètò wa. Ó wà ń bẹ̀. Ìdédìẹ̀. Gbogbo àwọn ayẹyẹ lọ́lọ́kan-ò-jọ̀kan bíi ayẹyẹ ìsìnkú, ayẹyẹ ìgbéyàwó, ayẹyẹ ìsìndúpẹ́, coronation, graduation, birthdays àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ni àwa máa ń gbé wá fún yín lójúwòran yín. Ẹ ṣe pé nọ́mbà mi, èmi ọmọ yín. Mo ṣetán láti gbé ayẹyẹ yín sáfẹ́fẹ́ káyé gbọ́ kọ̀rọ̀ ó mọ̀ kí nǹkan mì tìtìtì. Ó wà ń bẹ̀. Ìdédìẹ̀.
Bóyá bó lórí rẹ̀ yọ. Kábàlì bá ẹ̀yọ́ tó bá fẹ́ gbọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀yọ́.